Welcome to Techno TV. Hello everyone. I am Dr. Sanjay Kumar Srivastav, Faculty of BGMC Department, Techno Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am delivering the lecture on the topic of design brief of advertising. An effective design cannot be created without understanding the objective of the advertisement and the message the design must convey. In order to ensure the success of an advertising design, the brief is a written statement supported by research findings. In the absence of a formal client brief, the designer can benefit from an oral briefing. Whatever the method of briefing, the creative team should be clear about the following issues. Number one, what do the advertisers want to achieve? Second, what is the marketing goal? To increase sales volume or to create a new market? Next one is, what is the advertising goal? To establish awareness, create interest, or ask readers to take action. Next one is it a one-off advertisement or part of a campaign series? Next one, what is the chosen print medium like newspaper, magazine, or any other? Now, what is the budget for creative work including the rejection fee? And now, last one is what are the characteristics of the advertisement's target audience? Strategy development. The design brief helps the creative team to develop a strategy of executions. The cost involved in getting an advertisement designed and placed are so exorbitant that no advertisers can afford experiment with advertising without a proper media plan, that is planning about which and how much of advertising to be allocated to which media. The various strategies to appeal to the audience emotions, senses of fear, humor, etc. The various strategies used by advertisers are discussed here. Number one, direct sales appeal. In this approach, the design is developed by showing the product or demonstrating its use. Demonstration is another technique used in direct sales. The designer can demonstrate the product's superiority by presenting it in comparison with a competitor product. Direct appeal is usually used for advertising products such as instant tea, shoes, detergent, etc. Such advertisements try to appeal to the target audience by demonstrating the product in use. Second, emotional appeal. The most creative advertising demonstrate the emotional appeal or the mood and feeling created by the visual and the copy. It tends to achieve an impact on the mind of the target audience for a longer period than direct appeal. It also registers a high recall rate. The advertisement seeks to creatively target different groups of people irrespective of their ethnic, regional, or cultural associations. Now, next one is fear appeal. Many products, services such as insurance covers and social causes such as awareness against drugs, alcohol, HIV, AIDS, etc. use fear appeal. Social awareness messages reinforce the individual's anxiety when he/she has to decide whether to continue with the discontinue a potentially harmful habit. Now, entertainment appeal. Hotels, travel agent, and tourism promoters colorfully emphasize the delights, comfort, and entertainment appeal or their services. They may do so either directly or indirectly. So I hope you understand on the topic of design brief of advertising. For watching more video, likes and subscribes Techno TV. Thank you.